So this is a demo of our application called Meet in the Middle. So first we're going to start by going to the URL, which is meetmiddle.xyz. And once we hit enter, we're taken to our main landing page. So Meet in the Middle is an application that allows users to enter their location, and the app will generate a list of places that are at the geographic midpoint. That is, it gives you a list of places that are mutually convenient for both users. So for our example, let's say that user A is located at the EER, and user B is located at the Texas Capitol building. So as soon as I hit those two locations, you can notice that the app has placed a pin on the EER and the Texas Capitol building. So let's say that I'm looking for exclusively a list of coffee shops located between the EER and the Texas Capitol building. And since this is Austin, we're going to be eco-friendly and bike. And we're going to leave tolls and highways on, not that it really matters in this example. So we're going to hit Meet in the Middle. And while this web page spins, the application is generating a list of coffee shops between location A and location B, and that's exactly what we see here. So we can see on the map has been populated with a bunch of results. These are all coffee shops located between the EER and the Texas Capitol building. So on the right, we see a list of these coffee shops with the name of the coffee shop, like Starbucks, and the address of the coffee shop, along with information about the price and rating. So let's click on Cafe Medici. It's always a good coffee there. So once I click on Cafe Medici, you'll notice that the map has highlighted the route from the Texas Capitol building to Cafe Medici and from the EER to Cafe Medici. I can go and click on Route from A, and the map will give me directions to bike from the EER to Cafe Medici. And the same thing applies to Route B. It'll give me biking directions from the Capitol building to Cafe Medici. Let's go back and do a different kind of search. Let's say that our users are located a little bit further from each other this time. Let's say that our one user is located at the UT Austin campus, and let's say you have a friend for some reason at Texas A&M College Station. So again, the map puts a pin on UT Austin and College Station. And this time, let's say that we want to get some pizza. So we can hit custom search and then enter pizza. And now the app will look for exclusively pizza shops between the UT campus and Texas A&M. And this time we're going to drive, and we're still going to leave on tolls and highways. So let's click Meet in the Middle, and again the application, while it's spinning, is generating a list of pizza shops. So here again we see the map has been populated with a list of pizza shops, and on the right we see more information about these pizza stores. So let's click on Gatti's Pizza in Rockdale, Texas. So again, we can go here, click on Route from A, and it'll give you driving directions from UT's campus to this Pizza Hut, and the same applies to Route from B. It'll give you driving directions from Texas A&M campus to this Gatti's Pizza location. So for our final demonstration, let's go back to search again, and let's enter two locations that are really far away from each other. Let's say New York and London. So again, the map shows New York and London, and let's hit Meet in the Middle. So I forgot to select a location type. So Meet in the Middle forces you to select a location type so it can better customize your search. So I'm going to choose bars this time. I want to look for exclusively bars between London and New York. And apparently I'll be driving from London to New York, and I will be taking tolls, and I will be taking the highway. So let's click Meet in the Middle, and the application is spinning, trying to find places. And unfortunately, there are no bars located between London and New York, so that means there are really no bars in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, so the application tells you that there are no results found. So we can go back to search again and continue to look for more mutually convenient locations. So this was basically the gist of our application that we worked on this semester. Thank you.